Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Shopify tax not calculating correctly so your store stays accurate and compliant in 2026. Incorrect tax calculation can frustrate customers, lead to compliance issues, and even affect your profits. The good news is that most tax problems in Shopify can be solved with a few careful checks. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Taxes and Duties. This is where all your tax settings live. Next, make sure your store location is correct. Shopify calculates tax based on your business address and the customer's location. If this is wrong, tax will never calculate correctly. Check your tax rates for each region you sell to. Some countries or states have multiple tax brackets for different products, so ensure that rates match the local requirements. Yeah, even small errors here can cause big problems. Now, review your products. Make sure each product is set as taxable or non-taxable correctly. Digital products, physical products, and exempt items should be flagged properly to avoid miscalculations. Also, decide whether your prices include tax or if it's added at checkout. Consistency is important, so correct any discrepancies across your product catalog. If you've registered for tax in multiple regions, verify that each tax ID or registration number is entered correctly. This helps Shopify apply the correct rates and keeps your business compliant. Next, check customer addresses during checkout. Sometimes tax errors happen because of incomplete or invalid addresses. Encourage customers to provide accurate shipping information. Finally, test your checkout using different customer locations to confirm that taxes calculate correctly. This simple step can prevent a lot of customer complaints and compliance headaches later. By following these steps, you can fix Shopify tax calculation errors and ensure a smooth checkout process in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips, and I'll see you in the next one.